Hello friends, welcome to Mom I'm Home. I'm Vidya and today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY quiet book page for my kid to play. मैं वंशु के लिए बहुत टाइम से बनाना चाहती थी क्योंकि दिस क्वाइट बुक्स आर वेरी यूनिक and interesting. These are touch and feel, they give a sensory perception, they keep them busy and they enjoy it also. If you go to buy it, then these are very rarely found in Indian market and they are when we find it वो बहुत ही costly होते हैं. So rather I thought कि why shouldn't I try to make it. For this the things you need is felt sheet, needle and thread, ribbon, plain cloth and some velcro sheets. So let's begin. For making the pages I am using a plain white cloth. Instead of that you can also use colorful felt sheets. Here I am cutting more than one page because I am planning to make it into a book and this is the first page of the book. Now on a felt sheet I am making two circles, one smaller one with a diameter of 5 cm and the outer one with a diameter of 6 cm. I am going to cut it into squares touching the outer circle. Now when all the three colors are done, I am going to cut the inner circle from within the square. These cut square pieces can be either stitched or you can even use a glue gun or a fabric glue to stick it onto the pages of your white book. Then I am using a velcro stick to apply it on the two surfaces, one on the quiet book page and the other on the pieces of the circle pieces of the felt which we are gonna stick. Initially I thought that I will take only one felt piece but I felt that it is too thin and so I decided that I will take two felt circles of felt sheet and then I am gonna stitch the outer side of the two circles. I used a blanket stitch. Instead of that you can also use, if you have a glue gun, you can also use a glue gun. Once you have stitched the outer edges, leave some space for filling the stuffing and then stuffing material and then put a ribbon in place so that it becomes secure. For this I needed a small amount of stuffing material, so I used one of his large soft teddy bear and zipped open it and used that stuffing material to fill it into the circles. These bright colors are very attractive for the kid. He is very fond. When I showed him, he was very fond of it and he enjoyed playing with it. Now I am securing the three ribbons with a cute car shaped button. I bought this also from Amazon. I have already put the link in the description box. I am planning to make few other pages also, so follow my channel to see the other videos too. Now when everything is done, I am going to stitch it from outside and turn it out. So my first page is done. So guys, if you like this video, please do hit the like button and do comment in the comment section and please do subscribe to the channel. It is most important because it is a new channel. And till next week, take care. Bye bye.